Don't know how well you're going to see this because I have tape over my camera. But the ungrateful birds hate their bird pole. I'm sick of getting ticks on me in the trees, spray or not. But possum been chomping on the watermelon. I wanted to show you guys these, because I have no clue what they are. I had one last year, now I have a bunch of them. Oh, that looks like mint. So the birds have transplanted my mint. 10 neighborhood cats killed part of my hedge there from peeing on it. They also pee on my car. Anyways, I started cracking away, if you can see, on the stairs. I'm going to repair and lay a whole new foundation here shortly. But I'm out here with my scissors. Oh, by the way, that's my tall no-mow May, or no pollen May, grass for the birds to take. And the honeybees are enjoying the chive plant. I have plenty of chives still from last year, but we're going to trim it so we can get a whole bunch more flowers on there for them. Hi, buddy. Squirrel won't come in my garden box. They actually hate the smell of chives. Plus, it's toxic to them. Whoops, there goes a flower. Can't have everything. An abundance of chives. Since the squirrels don't come in here anymore, I think I'm gonna start harvesting them for myself. We want a whole bunch of new ones for the bees. Alright, that should be good. My scissors and hands smell great. This is my mint I planted 2 years ago. The nasty neighbor lady who has a no trespass warning on my property stepped all over my herbs in my garden a couple years ago, ruined everything. Now the mint's coming up. We're gonna chop that down. That's really not. Squirrels hate the smell of it, including birds, some of them. Boy, does that smell good. The birds just didn't poop on my fence. I would harvest some of this, but they probably won't be coming by now, so I'll be able to use my mint. Tons of it. Sweet. There we go. Trim some of that mint up. I didn't put any tick spray on my arms, so we're not going to stay in here too long. All right, and Auntie Kathy, the animals love the nuts. Blue jays and the birds are going crazy. Squirrels, they're kind of mad. Anyways, I got the possum on camera jumping away in the watermelon. Cat decided to try to attack it, and the possum finally spoke up and hissed at the cat, and the cat ran away. It was like 1:30 in the morning. I'll try to show you guys that video. You can barely catch them. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.